heart of Sheikhupura, Hiran Minar exists as a memory of Emperor Jahangir's affection with his pet deer. The deer tower is an early 16th century Mughal era complex in Punjab. The tomb was built to honor the memory of Emperor Jahangir's beloved deer, which was very dear to him. His name was Mansaraj. Jahangir is famous for his nature and relationship with pets and animals, and he was also fond of hunting. It's a beautiful fort with captivating artwork and design, a happy place for the tourist. If you love animals, then I will suggest you to come and visit here because Mughals have left a great example of love which amazes us and everyone who visits these places even after centuries.